Alright, this is going to be my tea base for the kombucha that I'm going to be making. I've got two organic green, two organic black tea tea bags in there. And then I've also got this about a teaspoon and a half of matcha. And I'm going to use probably, I've seen where you can use 3 apples for the sugar. Right now I'm gonna let this get to room temperature. I didn't brew this tea. I let it brew in the refrigerator for the night, and so I'm just gonna let it get to room temperature, and then I'm gonna use the Champion juicer to with this screen right here to puree the apples. I'll put about 3 apples. That's what I was for the fruit sugar. I don't want to use refined sugar. And then I'm gonna cover it up. I'll add my got this off of eBay, scoby right here from poseymom. Then I'll put that in there, and then it was like $5 for that. And then I'll cover it up with this muslin or the linen or whatever it is, and fasten the rubber band over it. And I think it says up to 3 days for it to ferment. I think at this time, when I do the grinding of the apples, I'm also going to grind up some fresh ginger and let it sit in there as well. And then I'm going to do that second ferment, where I'm going to be putting it in those the bottles where I got the other kombucha from the store, which I'm going to be cleaning, and do the second ferment to make it real fizzy and stuff. So that's my next project.